What's up mga ka-trends? Here's another update of the NY couple. Yesterday, on Roselle's activity, Roselle's peer band was on live on TikTok from her endorsement on Shokubutsu. On Instagram post, Roselle's peer band, her looks so beautiful and happy, entertaining all of her fans who joined her live. Processed Beerban invites everyone to try their product, Shukubutsu. It is antibacterial body foam wash that gives you cooling, deodorizing feel and protection, and it leaves your skin refreshed after bath, refreshing, clean fragrance. After the Rosayas and Adex Valentine's together, the NY couple is now back to work. Yesterday, on a Dex activity, Nadek Gumiya was having a prayer together with his co-workmates. They give their time and day for thinking the outcome of their movie, which is it was very successful and it is #1 movie in Thailand and become a popular movie in nationwide.
2 3นะครับ1 2
ทิวาปวังโหตุโกนะมะยังมหาราชาภูเววโสตถาปุรานังโเว
Nadak Gimiya and his co-workmates was so happy to achieve their goals after their fruit of labor.